Hey Shiloh Hills, welcome to this Draw Along With Me video. This is Mr. Carr. Hey, I have checked out my favorite website, which is one of my favorite websites, which is Arts Hub for Kids. It's a family of artists that draw along with you, and you follow their drawing step by step. So I found one that I really love. It's a surprise Christmas tree, and it starts out just like this, and then when you open it, boom, you have this surprise on the inside, which I thought was really fun. So I'd like to try and take you through drawing this today. So the only thing you're going to need is a piece of paper. You'll need something to color with, and you'll also need a pencil to draw with. I'm going to be drawing with a marker only because I'd like you to be able to see it a little bit better from home. So the very first thing you need to do on whatever size paper you have available is fold the paper in half. I like to pinch it and then fold it. So once it's folded in half, you're going to open the paper slightly and fold the front part of it up to the top so it matches the top, and then fold it. Okay? Then turn the whole thing over. So on the back, you should have no creases at all. It's just a nice flat piece. We're going to take the bottom piece and we're going to fold it up so it's the same as the front. Okay? Then we'll open it up again. Flip the whole thing over again. And when you open it up, you should have 4 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to leave it closed because we don't want to reveal the surprise just yet. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our triangle shape for the top of the tree. So I am going to come up, leave some space for the star, back down to the other side. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines underneath, which are for the trunk of the tree. Okay, so far just basically 1, 2, 3 lines. Then I'm going to turn my paper slightly. I'm going to draw a wavy line for the ground that comes up, touches those 2 lines, and goes back down. Okay. Next, we're going to put the star on the top of the tree, which isn't as hard as it sounds. So we're going to put a upside down V right on the top of the tree, leave a little space between the 2. Then we're going to come up with those 2 lines. Then we're going to come out on a slant, Then we're going to come back in, and then we're going to do a triangle to connect these 2 right here, triangle. And there you have your star on top of your tree. Now, once we have this part done, I'm going to open it all up. And once it's opened up, what I'd like you to do next is I want you to draw 2 lines that come in from right here on this tree. So we're going to draw 2 slanted lines that come in just a little bit. Okay? Now we're going to start building the tree, but this middle section is all hidden. So you don't want to draw up here anymore or down in this section. We're only going to draw in the middle. Okay? So then we're going to bring a slanted line way out, another slanted line way out, and we're going to come in with 2 lines here at the end. And then for the last slanted line, we're going to come way out here on the bottom and in, and way out here on the bottom and in. Now, once you have this much done, now we're going to connect this point with the bottom of the trunk. So we're going to bring this line as a curve all the way in and connect it there. And we'll do the same thing over here. So now we have our Christmas tree. Let's see if it works. Yep, so you can't see it in there, and then boom, now it becomes big. So to make this animated and look fun, we're going to add eyes. So to add eyes, we're going to add eyes right here in the middle of the tree. I like to add a shine at the top and a shine at the bottom. I'm going to color those in. Just like that. I'm going to add a line here in the middle. And then underneath that, I'm going to draw a big curve. And then I'm going to draw a line in the middle. Now you can make the mouth open if you want. I'm going to give him big teeth like he's smiling super big. Cheese. You can open the mouth big if you want to. In my sample, I made the mouth open and you can see the tongue, teeth, and then the inside of the mouth. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add tinsel. That's the shiny stuff that's wrapped around the tree. So to do that, I'm just going to draw sort of a diagonal wavy line, and I'm going to draw a second one that matches it the best I can. Then I'm going to start from way over here and do the same thing. I'm going to come all the way across. And I'll start at the same spot and I'll match it the best I can And that looks pretty good. Okay, then I'm gonna start from over here, this side of the tree, and I'm gonna come across. And when I get to it this time, I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna pick it up from the other side so it looks like it's overlapping. Overlapping is an artist trick that helps to make something look like it's in front of something else or behind something else. So now that I have those, now I'm gonna add some ornaments. So I'm gonna add some Christmas balls. And I'll just vary the size of them. And remember, you don't want to draw out of these two middle sections, so don't forget, because you want to be able to hide this and then reveal it. So then once this is done, you can add whatever else you want to your tree. I'm gonna add 2 elves. So to make the elves, you just add 2 curves right on the edge of the tree here. This is for the little mittens that are kind of peeking over the side. And then I'm gonna add a curve that kind of goes from one mitten down to the other, almost looks like a rainbow, okay? Then I'll do 2 eyes inside. A little zigzaggy line here at the top for some elf hair. A straight up elf hat. Be careful not to get it out of these 2 middle sections. A little puff on the end. And then I like to add little ears at the side, and that's just a slant up and then a curve down and in, and maybe a little smile here. This looks like the elf's having fun. And then you can add more elves if you want. I'm just gonna add that 1 elf. So you can add another one over on the other side by doing the same process if you wish. And that's about it. That's the drawing of our surprise tree. So let's see if it works. If I fold this down, it just looks like a regular tree. And then if I open it up, boom, there's the surprise. So here it is all colored in one more time. Notice I colored everything as bright as I could. I used a lot of primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, against the green that really stand out. And then I also added a little bit of icy blue here on the hill. Not all the way, but I just gave it a couple of spots where it looks icy. So I hope you enjoyed drawing this drawing surprise. Again, check out Arts Hub for Kids, and that's on YouTube. It's a fantastic site. They have lots of amazing drawings in there. It's all step by step, and you can pause and rewind if you need to. So I hope you enjoyed this, Trail Hills, and I will see you in the new year, and happy holidays.